Feeling is the Secret is a book written by Neville Goddard, a spiritual teacher and author who believed in the power of the imagination and the role it plays in creating one's reality. According to Neville, our feelings are the most important aspect of our being, as they are the driving force behind our thoughts and actions. Our feelings determine the quality of our lives, and therefore, it is essential to cultivate positive feelings in order to manifest the life we desire. One of the key concepts in the book is the idea that our outer world is a reflection of our inner world. Neville emphasizes that we are the creators of our own reality and that our thoughts, beliefs, and feelings shape our circumstances and experiences. He argues that it is possible to change our reality simply by changing our thoughts and feelings about it. To illustrate this point, Neville provides numerous examples of how people have used their imagination and feelings to manifest their desires. He tells the story of a woman who was able to manifest a new home for herself simply by vividly imagining herself living in it and feeling the emotions of gratitude and joy as if it were already a reality. Another important concept in the book is the idea of assuming the feeling of your wish fulfilled. Neville argues that when we focus on our desires and imagine ourselves already in possession of them, we activate the law of attraction and bring those desires into our reality. He advises his readers to spend time each day vividly imagining their desired outcomes, as if they have already been achieved, and to fully engage their emotions and feelings as they do so. According to Neville, the key to successful manifestation is to believe that our desires are already a reality, and to feel the emotions of having them as if they are already ours. He advises his readers to let go of any doubts or negative thoughts that may be holding them back, and to focus on their desires with unwavering faith and conviction. In addition to discussing the power of the imagination and feelings, Neville also addresses the role of action in manifesting our desires. He argues that taking action towards our goals is important, but that it is not the most crucial factor in determining whether or not we achieve them. Instead, he believes that our thoughts and feelings are the primary driving force behind our actions, and that they ultimately determine the outcomes we experience. Overall, Feeling is the Secret is a thought-provoking and empowering book that encourages readers to tap into the power of their imagination and feelings in order to create the lives they desire. It is a message that is particularly relevant for today's generation, as many people are seeking ways to create positive change in their lives and to live more authentic and fulfilling lives. By applying the principles outlined in the book, readers can learn to harness the power of their thoughts and feelings to manifest their goals and bring their desires into reality. And this is the summary of Feeling is the Secret, a book written by Neville Goddard. Subscribe for more daily empowerment videos. Empower yourself today. Thank you for watching.